Gotta go pick up the last car. Last car. Needed a jump. How you doing, Miss Oklahoma Auto Exchange?
Hi, how you doing?
Good. Oh, man, y'all know what time it is. Back at it. Picking up some cars here at the auction. Man, hopefully, you know, they all turn out good, you know. End up getting 6 cars, so hopefully they all turn out good. So let's go out here and pick these cars up. And I'll show y'all guys what I got. This is something that I do need though. This Lexus is nice though. Lexus IS 250. Pretty nice little car right there. Fancier Toyota, if you want to call it that. So, gotta pick up the Nissan. The battery was dead, so out here looking for a jump box. So, need to find a jump box. Man, phone already going dead. It's crazy. So, let's go find a jump box. All right, here go the first car we got. It's a '97 Nissan Maxima GLE. You know, missing the rim. How the interior? Interior is pretty dirty. You know. Yeah, that's the Jeep. You know, first things first, you always gotta check the fluid, make sure. You know, got a little bit of oil.
Got enough to make it.
Got enough to make it to the lot before we go get a change. Corroded battery over there. See if we got any coolant in there. Got some. It's a little down, but you know we got some. And you can't find the hole. Over that shake. Oh man. There go the Infinity over there. Show you what else we got. Got this Jeep Compass right here. We got a little damage on there. As you can see, a little hole in the plastic and a little rust spot right there. But overall, you know, get the paint touched up. That's what I'll probably do. Take it to the body shop. Just get the paint touched up. Can't do anything about the hail damage. Started up, turning like a kitten so far. Got oil, got coolant. Need this little passenger side light though. Need that. Probably a little touch up on the paint. Little spots that can be touched up, like right there. You can touch that up. Hail damage on it, can't do nothing about it. Interior, huh? I don't know. Let me unlock it. Also got this little Infinity right here. Is this the right one? I'm pretty sure it is. It's the only beige Infinity out here. Pretty sure it is. What is that? What? 97 beige? Yeah. You want to check the oil? Oh my God. Let's go. Let's see if it got any coolant. Was the battery up? Yeah, that's the one. Was the battery up? It's got some. Battery up. Crank it up and see what we got there. It's gotta be the right one.
Yeah.
You gonna crank it up?
Mileage, everything right.
Crank it up and see what we got. Oh shit.
See if it goes.
Somebody doing their own oil changes on there. Alright, you ready? So, made it back fine. That one needs a motor mount on for sure. So, motor mount. Need to touch up the paint. Need to see if I can find these 2 little lights right here. Probably can find those on Amazon. Get it cleaned up. How does Hoopty run?
It run.
That's your favorite saying, it runs.
Yeah, it worked. It worked. It just got a little, I don't know, a rattle over here in the wheel. What the hell?
That's an
I don't
old.
know if it's a shock or a bushel or sway bar bushel or something.
Probably,
Hit a bump.
probably a shock, sway bar bushing. Probably some tires. Look at that, these tires ain't worth the damn. Nah, from.
shock of the sway bar bushing or something over here, because when you hit a bump, it just.
Yeah, probably the little sway bar. But, you know, we'll figure it out. You know,
It goes and blows.
runs, drives, no, you know, not overheating, half a tank of gas, both stereo system. So first trip back successful. Now we got a couple more trips. Back at it, round 2. Time to pick up some cars. What else we got left, Alex?
Lincoln.
Impala,
Lincoln.
a Maxima, and Lincoln.
Oh, Lincoln. I don't even know where they moved that Lincoln to. They probably moved it over there somewhere. We're gonna check out this Impala. Pretty sure it was the one against the gate. Got a good battery on it. Let's pop the hood and see what we got underneath the hood. 3400 series motor. Got some oil.
Got some Earl in it.
Got some oil. Let's see. Got a little bit of coolant. You can't really see it. Look like it's down some. Anything enough. Got some in the overflow. Got some coolant. Pick it up and see what we got. If you got any crank on it. Like the power steering pump is going bad. Huh? Ain't got no gas, it'll be alright. Overall, in pretty decent shape. So riding in this Impala so far, you know, we so far so good. It's riding good. You know, the person before had it was a little short. The steering wheel was all the way up, so we got, you know, let the seat back some. But overall, so far so good. Got the heat working. Got the Bluetooth radio in here. AC worked, already checked that. So needs to be vacuumed. I mean, that's the main thing. The interior, I mean, as you guys can see. You guys can see the interior is really not that bad. I mean, it's just trash around here. So, you know, we're gonna take it here from the auction to the lot, you know, drive it, put my foot in and make sure we're checking all out, you know. Then when I get it back, I'll get the oil changed and get the coolant and stuff topped off and all the fluids and stuff checked, and then, you know, see if it's be ready for sale, you know. Probably wait a couple days so I can hear about the title situation. But yeah, let's take this baby. Put your foot in it. Oh, missed the light. Oh well. But yeah, let's finish picking these cars up. Window switch bad, but I mean overall this was a good car, man. Whoever had it, put some good tires on there, man. You can always tell if somebody take care of something by putting some tires on. This one, man, just need a detail, man. Really just vacuumed out, really, and wiped down, and all the fluids and stuff checked out. Lincoln need this grill and that grill, and the windows off track. Somebody put the pipes on the Lincoln. Yeah, I hear the Lincoln. Somebody. It is a V8 though. Very dirty though. Had a baby in there, got the baby food. Oh man, they got some, what is that? Andean Car Sales Nation, I guess. A little dirty on the inside. Need a radio, window switch, 99,000 miles, it ain't bad. 99,000. Take a look, whole little walk around of it. Overall, fairly decent, good little car. Need some tires though. Put that one. Try to hit the switch, see if it's gonna lock in there. Did it lock?
I don't know.
Is it going down? Nah, Nah, it's locked in there. You might as well leave it. Oh, I was about to say, you left. You messed with it. Didn't leave well enough alone.
No, it wasn't locked.
Y'all see, we got added another box truck to the family. It's a little damage right there. That's the damage on it right there. But that's just like the only damage on it right there. I mean, the bumper's hanging off a little bit, but add another box truck to the family, so you know that's 4 box trucks in total. So you know, big plans for it. You know, so, got big plans. So I just let y'all guys know I was gonna show that to y'all. Also picked up this Mercury Mountaineer. This is what I got from El Reno auction. Not in too bad a shape, but dollar in the cream, man. Dollar in the cream, man. You see how they do us in El Reno? They call it dollar in the cream. Cash rules everything around me, man. Cream. Not bad though. The interior's a little dirty and a little crack in the windshield, but other than that, overall in good shape too. Needs a good cleanup. So got it running. Sounds a little rough right now. Battery was low. Battery was low. Now I just idled up a little bit. Maybe drive it and clear it out or something. We gonna see. I didn't see that when I bought it. Didn't see that, so didn't get deployed, but it popped. Didn't see that, but oh well. It'll still sell. It'll still sell. So, Nissan, as y'all can see, made it back to the lot. You know, something going on the driver's side wheel. I don't know if it's the tire. The tires look pretty bad. Yeah, they looked all dry ride and stuff like that. So it might just be the tire. It might be like a tie rod in or something like that. Had a little shake when I got up to speed. So it might just need to be a tire. But overall, you know, went to the auction, got 5 cars. And you know, all 5 cars made it back. So 5 out of 5. No engine transmission problems, no overheating problems, no, you know, none of that. So none of those problems, no overheating, no transmission problems, none of that. So just minor stuff, you know, just something. Like I said, no motor transmission problems, you know, none of that. No really major issue, just detail and little stuff that needs to be taken care of, like tires, batteries, details, just all that little minor stuff. But you know, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Today is my daughter's birthday, so I'll see you guys Monday. About to go take my daughter around, let her go shop, let her go spend as much money as she wants, buy as many toys as she wants. But I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Appreciate you guys for all you guys' support. If you haven't already, you know, subscribe to the channel. If you haven't already, go get your membership. You know, showing you, I'm gonna be showing you guys a lot on the membership. So if you haven't already, you know, go get you one. And once again, you know, thank you guys. Everybody enjoy your weekend. Hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. I'm out. Peace.